in the course of B.Ed second year and first year. There is an important thing, how to know the students' capacity, their intelligence, their personality, their learning power. There are so many types of things which are required to evaluate by the teacher. In these things, achievement test is very important factor. Achievement test was first of all discovered by ancient China in 605 BC during the Sui dynasty, and now in all over world it is used for the measurement of the children's teaching learning status. In this test there are many types of questions are generated. For the example, essay type questions, short type questions, short answer type questions, objective type questions, oral questions, etc. In this test, there are some basic phenomena which is called types of the test. That is based on some particular pattern. First is purpose-based test. In this test, the teacher tries to know what is the purpose of the test in which the students are being kept for measurement. Second is time-based test. Time to time, weekly, half-yearly, monthly or annual tests are taken for knowing the actual position of the students, whatever they have learned in the class and whatever the subject matters is taught by the teacher in the class. There are some steps in achievement test. First is planning the test. The teacher make a plan, or we can say that some planning are very important for the test before taking the test. In this planning, the teacher tries to know in what condition, in what type of test is to be taken at that time. Second is preparing the test. The teacher prepares his plan. He attempts to know the specific side of area in which test is to be performed. Third step is trying out the test. In this step, the teacher makes an idea about the test. Some important factors are caught by the teacher, and some factors which is not more important for the test is ignored, and the teacher takes only the specific factors which are very important for the status, for knowing the teaching learning process and teaching learning capacity of the students. The last step is evaluating the test. In this step, we evaluate, or the teacher evaluates his test. Evaluation is very important factor, and in this step, he determines the quality of the test, which quality is seen in the test, and what is the important suggestions which should be given by the teacher to students by marks, by grade, or by oral suggestions. He can admire or give the feedback to the students so that they can improve in their teaching learning process, and improvements are seen. Therefore, achievement test is very important thing, very important factor in teaching learning process, and the teacher can apply this test during his teaching process, and students can gain the advantage and can improve themselves for their bright future. Thank you.